In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OpenAI Codex on a Windows PC. First, open your web browser and search for OpenAI Codex. From the search results, open the official OpenAI Codex page. Once the page loads, look for the Download for Windows button and click on it. The installer will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. The setup package is several hundred megabytes in size, so it may take a few moments to install depending on your system. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the Welcome to Codex screen. Now click Continue with ChatGPT if you already have a ChatGPT account. You can also choose another sign-in method if you prefer. A browser window will open and ask you to sign into your account. After signing in, you may be asked a few onboarding questions, such as the type of work you do. You can answer these questions or click Skip to continue. Once the setup is complete, Codex will open and be ready to use on your Windows computer. That's it. OpenAI Codex is now installed and ready to help you with coding tasks on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.